So let's begin this grounding and letting go meditation. Let yourself sit comfortably and quietly. Close your eyes. And take a few moments to settle into this space. Here with your eyes closed. And then bring a gentle, attentive focus to your body and your breath. And then start to soften your belly. Start to bring softness into your heart space, your lungs, bring softness into your shoulders. And bring softness into your back, your spine. And bring softness into your face. And soften your whole body here. And then let yourself be settled in the groundedness of the present. Right here, right now, as you are. And can you be more settled into this groundedness? Settling even deeper. And then we get ready from this place of groundedness to recognize that which we want to let go of. So bring into your awareness the feelings, reactions, perhaps even people, relationships that it is time to let go of. What is it that you want to let go of? Bring that into your awareness. Perhaps there's images, memories, trains of thoughts. Let it come to your awareness. And breathe in softly here. Breathe out softly. Holding yourself with compassion, with kindness. And then start to mentally name what you feel, what comes up. Maybe it's anxiety. Maybe it's fear, sadness, anger. Just a few examples. But name what comes up, what you feel, in a very gentle way. And give them space to be, to float. Hold it, hold yourself with compassion. And as if you were having a conversation with your best friend. Name what you see, what comes up, what is being brought to your awareness. Give it space to be, to float. And then let it go. Release it. Let it float away. And then feel the benefit of what you just did. Feel the benefit of that letting go. Let go. Let go. Let go. In love, in compassion, in kindness. And then is there more that wants to rise up, or that is already rising up? Feelings, reactions, perhaps even relationships, people, that it's time to let go of. What is coming up right here, right now? And give it time to come up. And then name what it is that is coming up. And label it very gently with compassion. And then give it space to be, to float. Hold it compassionately. And then let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. And feel the benefit of that letting go. And what does that feel like? Is there anything else? Is there anything else that is calling your attention? Anything else that is time to let go of? Do this inquiry with yourself. If there is anything else, take the deepest breath in and then let it go. Release. Maybe there's a sighing, maybe there's a yawning. Let it go. Let it go. With compassion. And feel how your heart opens. How it softens. How your body opens. Now there seems to be more space. Space that you've created yourself. With compassion, with kindness, in love. And here we just stay for a minute together. And whilst you keep your eyes closed, see if you can savor this minute of intimacy with yourself. Perhaps even enjoying the benefit of what you just did. Letting your body marinate in the effects. And it might be that images of that which you have let go of want to come back. And if that happens, you can always come back to that place of compassion, of gentleness, of kindness, and say, I've let you go. And then release it again. I've let you go. And trust the space of letting go. It can feel naked, it can feel new. And know that it's a practice. It's a continuous holding with compassion, with gentleness, and an equally gentle release. And with time and with practice, this will become easier, easier, and easier. And then for the last few moments here in this meditation, see if you'd like to deepen that, let's say, connection with yourself by placing one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Perhaps there's two hands on your lower belly. And just taking in these last moments here. Breathing gently. Breathing with an open heart. With a soft body. A soft face. Taking one last deep breath here. And on your exhale, for the last time, release with a big sigh out. And then when you are ready, very gently open your eyes.